colleague Ashesha, who's here to take us through the closing trades. Ashesha.
Well, yes, Friday turned out to be good for Indian equity markets. Nifty is ending nearly 110 points higher for the day, near that 25,112 mark. Nifty Bank was also gaining in trade today. Nifty Bank, as you can see on your screens, up 133 points to end above that 54,800 mark. Broader markets were also doing fairly well for themselves. Small and mid-cap index should also come up for you on your screens. Small cap index up a solid 0.6% in trade today, and mid-cap index was also up nearly 0.3%. In terms of individual stocks, we had BEL, this stock not just today, in fact for the whole of this week the stock was gaining. Bharat Electronics Limited up 4%, and a good day coming in for Bharat Electronics Limited, also the top gainer on the Nifty 50 index. Bajaj Finance and Shriram Finance were some of the other top gainers. Bajaj Finance up nearly 2.5%, 3.5% rather for you, up for you on your screens, and Shriram Finance was also gaining nearly 2% in trade today. In terms of other losers, food delivery platforms were under pressure today. We have Eternal, that was the biggest gainer on the Nifty 50 index, ending 2% lower. In fact, Swiggy is also ending nearly 0.6% lower in trade. HUL down 1.5%. IndusInd Bank from the banking sector also declined nearly 1% in trade today. In terms of other newsmakers, defense stocks were clearly on fire today. So Hindustan Aeronautics, Bharat Electronics, Moscow Dock, all of them were gaining in trade today. And this on the back of news which we are getting from sources that US Department of Defense officials are set to come to India. This is likely to happen between the 16th and 19th of September. Moscow Dock up 5% on the back of this. Garden Reach Shipbuilders, in fact, locked an upper circuit of 10% in trade today. And a whole host of other defense counters were also in focus. Cochin Shipyard up a solid 6% in trade. Meanwhile, JBM Auto, whereby one of its mobility arms has secured 100 million capital investment from International Financial Corporation. That one up 3% and 13%. In fact, we also had the management, and the outlook for the company also continues to remain very positive. Hindustan Copper, they've reiterated their capacity expansion plans for FY30. Their capex guidance for the next few years. Hindustan Copper also rose by nearly 12% in trade today. So yes, we had a whole host of individual buzzers in trade. On the index level, good going for the Indian markets. Nifty is ending nearly 100 points higher for the day. Nifty Bank is also ending 135 points higher. But that's all the time we have on this edition of the show. More news and updates will continue on the other side.